Yeah, so we're coming up to 10 a.m. UK time. And simple structure analysis. This is the pound yen 15-minute chart. But again, it doesn't matter which time frame really, because the same structure analysis applies to all. Let's just go through what I'm looking at. I mean, what are you guys seeing here? If you were to look at the chart, I mean, you've seen a move up, a slight retracement. Half the people are probably thinking that we're just going to push straight up from here because we stalled at this level here. Everybody's probably thinking that we're just going to break out and just, you know, carry on and hit new highs. And then there's half of people that saw the move down, trying to hop on board to push it back down. Probably think it's going to come and test the lows and looking for an extension. So literally you've got half the people thinking it's going to go long, half the people think it's going to go short. Obviously, it happens all the time. That's how it works. Market wouldn't move otherwise, as it does. But let's just look at, I mean, what you're seeing here. We're seeing structure resistance here. Let's mark it out, in fact. It'd be a little easier. I apologise if the audio isn't the best for today. But as long as you can hear me, that's the main thing. I shall be working on that, try and sort that out. But, okay, let me change the colour of this box here. So we've got the resistance point there. Let's make it turquoise, I'll do. So we've got one there, stored, essentially a double top really. We came down, tested it again, same level. Didn't get as high, but we stalled. In fact, let's do this, set it as the default. Yes, just don't have to mess around with that all the time. And then we sort of sat sideways, couldn't test the low here, just literally went sideways, popped our head up again, came down to test this level from here to over here. And then again, another test, a third test. So we could say there's quite a strong resistance level here. And if we get a trend line, in fact, we can pop a horizontal line on there for now. We just pop that on there. Yeah. Yeah, support and resistance, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, we've got the resistance level here. We could go way back, but we're not going to. So we're literally looking at, you're right, yeah. We're literally looking at resistance, broken out, coming down, looking for support. We've got a swing low point here and here. So we can actually mark those out. These are the important points if we're looking for the price to get back down to. These are sort of going to be our safe zones, our safe levels. So for those of you that saw it before I put it on, those of you that came in late didn't see it, let me show you. Okay, so we know this is the level I'm looking at to get long. But the reason I have entered here, basic structure stuff, you know. We moved down, moved up, we made a new low, and we've pushed back up. What's the next thing I'm going to say? What's the next thing that we look at when we push up? What do we think about? What's the first thing we should be thinking about? Where did we push up to exactly? To previous structure. Look left, structure leaves clues. Say saying from Jason Stapleton and Nikhil Stokes, my mentors, the guys that taught me how to trade properly, taught me how to stop losing money. Absolutely. Yeah, so we look left, structure leaves clues, and it does. Look at that, how price just comes up and stalls at that level. Support, breaks through, comes up, tested as resistance. 1 candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. We're on the 8th candle that's trying to test or trying to break through. It just doesn't want to at the moment. So what I've done is seen that level, mainly seen that it's structure. I put a fib on there, swing high to swing low. We came up, tapped the 618. Tapped the 618, sucked back down, and we've just sat there. Because we've sat there with all of these candles, I've taken pretty aggressive trade, sat above the previous swing high. Ideally, it would be safer to put it above this level here. But I thought, you know, if I'm wrong, then I'm going to be wrong here. So I've put it there, a little bit more aggressive. And what I'm looking for is basically the move back down to where I wanted to get long. Because if I am right, and the market is going to retest this structure level that it was holding 3-4 times, so it's a pretty strong level, we broke out. At some point, it always wants to test. Alright, hi guys, so we're back. You can see there that I've closed out 53.3 pips up. Reason being, we came down, we kind of paused there, a little bit above structure. We came down, we tested, can you see how we tested this level of the 618? Look how close that was to that level. 130, 114. I mean, look at that. The 50%, the 141, the 61.8, all those three together, confluence. I mean, if we just bring that down, pop that down to that level there, we can see. Look at it, how it respected that level. Look at that structure. What did we say? Let me bring this down just to show you there what we talked about. It being this level here. But yeah, a little bit of live trading for you. Simple analysis and how I used structure to trade down to the level that I actually wanted to enter in the market to. Alright, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please hit the like button, show me some support. It's free content. I'm putting it out there for you to learn something. I know when I was learning, I really appreciated when people put stuff out there that I could actually use. I could actually go into the market after and actually think about the reasons of why and how. So yeah, please just hit subscribe, hit like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Alright guys, take care. See you.